Hey trainees, welcome to the training induction program of Contact Center Services NCII with the partnership of Tesda. And let me introduce myself. I'm Rosen Patrimonio. I'm one of the Tesda accredited trainer in this qualification, Contact Center Services. And for the ticket, during our web conference or online discussion, you need to follow the following: dress appropriately, be aware of your surrounding, mute your microphone, and stay seated and stay present. Okay? And this is the organizational structure of our school, and our school director is Miss Crystal P. Lin Ong. And trainees, welcome to Philippine Call Center Institute. And as you can see in the picture, they are our former graduate in this institution, and they are now working in different BPO company across the country. And thank you, trainees, for choosing our school as part of your career development. And I'm looking forward that you will be working in different BPO industry. What I mean company. So who are we? So PCCI, or Philippine Call Center Institute, Training for Global Competency Iloilo, is one of the leading training institute here in the Philippines that offers training for the aspiring call center agents, career shifters, and fresh graduates like you. And also we have some career shifters. We have graduates of this qualification who were actually nurse, engineer, and decided to shift from their profession and became a call center agent and became part of the BPO industry. So one of the objectives of our school, or our mission and vision, is to educate, develop, and equip young professionals with the skills necessary to excel and succeed in the competitive call center, and BPO industry. Now I'll be showing you a quick video about our school. Hope you like it.
Academy's sister school, the Philippine Call Center Institute, started its business in May 2010. For the past year in the business, PCCI has established its name not just in the province of Negros Occidental, but also in Iloilo City, Rojas City, Bohol, Dumaguete, Cagayan de Oro City, and lately in Tipolo. Later on, PCCI expanded its horizons by giving customized training programs and consultancy services to private companies across different industries and schools. PCCI has worked closely with the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, or TESDA, and is also into sourcing and recruitment. Currently, PCCI has placement and training arrangements with several of the largest call centers in the country.
So that's for the video. Hope you like it, trainees. And contact center services, what is good thing about having this qualification? Because it is not like the other qualification that you need to undergo a national assessment right after your training. But for this one, right after your training, there is already a job waiting for you, because right after your training, we will endorse you to different BPO industry. So I'm looking forward that you will get hired in this company. Now, for our training duration, it is a total of 140 hours. And this qualification composed of three competencies. We have the basic, the common, and the core competency. And the most important thing in this training is the core competency. Now, as for the basic competency, it is composed of unit of competency. For the common, two competencies: apply quality standard and perform computer operations. And for the core competency, we have three unit of competency, and you will be undergoing an intensive training of enhancing your skills in English language, and so that you will get hired in different BPO company. Now, for the study guide, one of the topic that I will discuss to you is apply quality standard. This is under a common competency disqualification. So this module covers the knowledge, skills needed to engage in quality improvement in your workplace. Now, for the common competency, the LO that I'll be discussing first to you is engage in quality improvement. And this is the objective. First is process the improvement procedures are participated in relative to workplace assignment. Second, work is carried out in accordance with the process improvement procedures. And third, performance of operation of quality product to ensure customer satisfaction is monitored. So it is already uploaded in our LMS, and I'll be giving to you later your credentials as well as your default password, trainees. And once you log into our LMS, reminder, you need to change your default password, okay? So for the learning resources, it is already available in our LMS. I prepared task sheet, a series of webinars for our online discussion, as well as the self-paced learning materials that you need to access. All right, for the study guide, so we have online and offline activities. You just only need to have a web conferencing, web forum self-introduction. It is all pre-tests, other quizzes, as well as the learning resources. And web conference is already uploaded in our LMS. And for the offline activities, for the reading e-learning content or books, I prepared a downloadable PDF form book so you can download that one and read offline. And also, I prepared an interactive e-learning materials for that book so you can check once you download that one, and quizzes, and you can also participate forums, the one in the LMS. Now for our study schedule, all right, the one that we are having right now is the training induction program. And next, you can read the study guide, participate in the forum, take the pretest, and you can go ahead and read the lesson of quality improvement procedures in a workplace, take the quiz, answer the assignment, and answer the 5 HP H5P pairing game. So for my certain unit learning outcome, I'll spend 3 hours for this one. And the references of my study guide, I have the CBC, the CBLM, of course, using the internet, online researches, and of course, my TM1 final output. And for monitoring e-learning accomplishments, so I have two assessment methods. That's formative and summative. For the formative, uh, it is a series of quiz. Each learning outcome or unit of competency or unit of competency, there is certain quizzes that you need to take for me to assess your knowledge, skills, and attitudes. And for the summative, you need to undergo institutional assessment. And also in rating for institutional assessment, I need to use three methods. That's written, demonstration, and oral questioning. So once you're done, we will be endorsing you to different BPO company, okay? All right, so how to submit your outputs. I prepared an output for you to be submitted, and you can submit that one to the submission bin on our LMS. Just go to the course site, click the task, edit the submission, attach the file to be submitted. It must be in PDF form, and click save. And also, your output can be submitted in various forms. It can be in, so DVD or CD-ROM or USB pen drivers. And also our LMS. What is good having this online is that there is already on sorry, there is already a utilized track for the attendance, progress of the trainees, as well as for the okay, as well as the grade of the trainees can be tracked immediately once you're done with your activity. Yeah, for the grading system, you need to pass. For the grading system, you need to pass on 80% grade required. So I will rate your performance if you are competent or not yet competent. So you need to have an 80% passing grade of this qualification. So okay, for the curriculum-based monitoring test, so me as your trainer, We'll use a standardized test. Yeah, first observation and interaction, frequent evaluation, and formative assessments. That's a series of quiz. And me as your trainer, I need to respond to your queries from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Using the messenger groups, I will be creating a messenger group later so that I can monitor you, and also you can contact me with my phone number. And for the discussion forum, you can use the LMS. And yes, trainees, welcome to the new normal and hello to the exciting world of online learning. Any questions, trainees? That's all for the training induction program. Do you have any questions? I'm done na po.
Okay, do you have any questions?
Yes.
Are you done, Ma'am Roseanne?
Yes po, I'm done.
Okay. So, your demonstration is also the same with Ma'am Supremo.
Mm,
You're working in the same company, institution, I mean.
yes po, PCCI.
Okay, so you're under PCCI. But prior to this, you are a call center agent, no?
Yes po.
So you have in experience really in BPO industry.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so congratulations for the demonstration. It's complete, no? It's also
Yes.
like Ma'am Meredith Supremo's demonstration. I thought you'll be doing another thing, not the orientation.
Yes, this is the one I prepared earlier. I got disconnected.
Oh, it's okay.
Yes.
So, previously you're under what BPO industry?
I was in Cebu, aspired.
Aspired
Yes.
ang BPO ngalan.
Y-
Okay. Mm. So, pila ka na ka years subong sa PCCI?
Uh, this year lang po. But
Oh, so you have conducted a training induction program face to face. Were you able to
uh,
do that already?
naka-attend lang po pero wala pa. I'm just nakapasa lang po ako. Nakakapasa ko lang po ng TM this year.
Oh.
Opo.
So pero nag-observe ka.
Opo.
So what do you think is the difference between the virtual TIP and the FOF TIP?
For the face-to-face TIP, nag-introduce lang ng about ng school. That's what I remember during my TM and about the scholarship. That's all. Attendance. And sa face-to-face, naka-attend po ako ng TIP ng face-to-face. Just like this one.
Okay. Except that it's conducted online.
Yes.
Okay, Ma'am Rose Ann Patrimonio. What's
Yeah.
your real name, Rose Ann or Rowan?
Rose Ann
Rowan.
po. Rose Ann.
Okay. Ma'am Rose, congratulations for a job well done.
Thank you.
Makagraduate ka na, ika number 3 ka.
Finally.
Congratulations. So, it's good that nag-observe ka mo kagina from Ma'am Elena to
Hmm.
Ma'am Meredith, whatever inputs that you have gained from that, for sure i-apply nyo gid man sa inyong TAP or virtual orientation.
Opo.
Okay, congratulations, ma'am. I will just send you or message you the final time of graduation tomorrow. So you're
Okay.
one of those nga mag-graduate. So congratulations, no?
Thank
But I will be
you.
checking all your outputs, no? I'm not yet done checking kay ginuna ko in demonstration. So
Mhm.
if ever from time to time dapat online ka mo. So if you have problems abi sa inyong again submit, I will message you para ma-correct nyo pa.
Okay po.
Okay? Okay, congratulations once again.
Okay,
Bye.
thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello, ma'am. Excuse me.
Hello po, sir.
Ma'am Roseanne.
Okay po.
Um, just in case if you want